Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video today. Today's video, yes, I have more cases for your iPhone 13, but before I get into this review, check this out. Okay everyone, so I'm back with another video today. Today's video, I have more cases for your iPhone 13. I need to give a shout out to Cole from Caseborne / Armadillo Tech for actually sending me out these cases. He also sent out these chargers, also available on Amazon, so check them out too. But you can get these cases from Amazon. I'll have the links in the description. He sent me out 3 different colors, the one in black, one in like a purple color, and then like a salmon color or / orange color. Definitely review it, make sure everything fits well. How does everything line up? This is what the Vanguard series from Caseborne. Nice packaging from, you know, Caseborne or Armadillo Tech. If you want to pause that, you can definitely do so. This is the heavy duty case, and it has some tape on there. Alright, so I'll remove the tape real quick, but here's the case itself. It is a heavy duty case for sure. Oh, I like that little inside there. You get some books and stuff. There you go there too. The top of the case. Caseborne, formerly Armadillo Tech, thank you for your business. I like this little pamphlet, I guess you can call it. But nice packaging from them, so we'll definitely get into it. Let's see how this case fits. So here's the case itself. It has a little kickstand on it. The bottom has a little flap. That looks pretty good. A little grip there too. A little brand in there, Vanguard. Man, what y'all think? It actually looks nice. All right, so it's a 2-piece case. So you have the little plastic screen guard there. And then you have your bottom of the case, which will really protect your phone. So how you install it, I normally do it this way. Put the phone into the top. Make sure it's in there good, which it does look like it is. Then you just want to start from the bottom or the top, whatever you prefer. I don't care where you start at. And then you just kind of work it around there and put it back together. Now this one fits nice and snug. Alright y'all, so I was able to get it on there. It did take some work, but what y'all think about it? It actually looks really good. This will definitely protect your phone. Do you get camera protection? Yes you do. You know you get the lip action because of that plastic screen protector, which I might actually take off. But if you want it on there, you definitely have it. The cutouts at the bottom line up good, even the one with the flap. And then also the alert slider there is easy to get to. No problem to press it on and off. The power button works great. Let's see. Face unlock still works even with the screen protector on. Volume rockers are good. The touch sensitivity is also good. No problems there. This will definitely protect your phone though. Let's check out the kickstand. Works good. No problem there either. But this is the heavy duty case though. Like, I'm not gonna drop it too far, but man, that was loud. So do you worry about, I mean, come on. Actually works great. Look, my phone, brand new. So if you work in construction or something, I highly recommend this case. Look at that little grip there on the sides too. Now let's see if you can wireless charge, because this is a heavier case with the kickstand on there. Let's see if you can wireless charge or not. That's a nice looking case. All right, so here's the charger. Let's see if you can wireless charge or not. And you don't have a problem. You can actually wireless charge with the case on there and still get that protection too. Look at that. Again, if you want to pick up these cases, I will have the links in the description. You can get it from Amazon. Or if you want it in purple or in the orange. Y'all let me know which one is your favorite color. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the iPhone 13. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at Forza Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace. I'm out. Y'all have a great day.